alias known as LG LM-K500MM or UM. As usual, we have here an unlocked sample, as you can see. So in order to unlock it, I am going to use a Furiousgold box and OT Smart latest version. So in order to unlock this device, we need to put it first in the firmware update mode. So I'm going to power it off and keep pressed the volume up while having the USB cable inserted. Everything is okay. The phone starts in the firmware update mode, and we should also see in the port section of the device manager the LG mobile USB port. So back to the software, we choose the model from the search box. So I'm going to select remove SIM lock and press connect. If all is okay, the phone gets detected. I recommend keeping pressed the volume up during the whole procedure, as in some cases the phone is not being detected after the restart. The phone is going to restart several times during this process, so don't panic, just wait. Now the software is asking us where to save the backup. So we save. Now I'm going to reply yes to the direct unlock. So that's it. We stop pressing the volume up. Phone got unlocked, so let's check it. As you can see, we have here Vodafone Romania. The phone is not telling us anymore that it's locked, so the unlock process went okay. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.